Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Campbell's green bean casserole. To begin, butter up a baking dish with 1 tablespoon of butter. And while you are doing this, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius. We are using a 9x13 baking dish, however you may use a smaller baking dish. Once your baking dish has been prepped, set it aside. Now in a large mixing bowl, add in 2 cans of green beans, followed by 1 can of Campbell's cream of mushroom. Campbell's recipe calls for 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, however we are changing that up for 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We are using French's crispy fried onions. Add in 2/3 of a cup of the crispy fried onions, half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Then mix to incorporate. Once evenly incorporated, transfer to the prepared baking dish. The amount of ingredients in this recipe are enough for 4 people. For a larger family, double up or even triple on the recipe. Using a spoon or a spatula, spread out the green bean mixture. Then top it up with some more crispy fried onions. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And after 25 minutes, add in more crispy fried onions during the last 5 minutes of baking time. And if everything goes according to plan, your Campbell's green bean casserole will look like this. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. There you guys have it, my version of Campbell's green bean casserole. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!